What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and into this video we're gonna learn how to make a live AJAX search like this. Imagine a search form that you just type a couple of words, okay, of the phrase that you are searching for, and the search field do the results for you immediately into the live way, just like this, okay? So it searches into your entire site for related posts with these words, okay? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us. After this, log into your WordPress dashboard. How to access WordPress dashboard on your browser search address bar right here. We're gonna type your domain name plus WP admin or WP login. Enter with username and password, okay, or email and password. After this, you're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu add plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen there is a field called search plugins. Click and type Ivy Search, just like this. Ivy Search, WordPress search plugin, advanced WordPress custom search plugin. Click on install now. Click on activate button. The plugin is asked to collect your data or not, up to you. I can skip this part. Now, review the left sidebar of menus once again and click on Ivy Search next to comments. And right here, the plugin gonna have created for you a couple of search boxes. The one that I'm most like and is more useful for me is the AJAX search form. But if you are working into an e-commerce site, you may like this one, AJAX search form for WooCommerce, okay? All we have to do is copy this short code right here, okay? Just click on copy. Then go to your page, go to your posts, go to your widgets, anyway, any place. In my case, I'm gonna create a new page. Search. And I'm gonna apply this short code, okay? This is a short code block. All you have to do is place this code into your page, into your posts, and the search field gonna appears. Of course, you can combine this with other parts of your page. You can apply this into your search bar, into your menu sometimes, okay? Up to you. And now you have a live search. Simple, right? Simple, easy, effective, codes free, and totally free. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!